Hello, welcome. Today's video is a Sephora haul, unboxing and first impressions. I got my first and last order from Sephora from this past Sephora saving event. This is the fall saving event. Depending on if you are a member, depending on your status, that's your discount. I think they have 10%, 50%, and 20%. My status is Rush, so I have 20% off. And I always try to get what I need on this type of Sephora event. I think one more event is coming, and it's a fragrance event for December. And then probably I'm gonna buy some fragrances I have in my wish list. But for now, this is what I got. I didn't get that much this time because I have almost everything I need. But some products I am out, so I repurchased. The first product that I repurchased is this from GHD. This is called Bodyguard and is a heat protectant spray for hair. And I really like this product. That's why I purchased this again, because I like the way it sprays on my hair. This is very easy to apply. Look at the spray. It sprays a lot and even, and it doesn't spill. And also I like how it smells, and it leaves my hair really nice, and that's why I like it. It works well with my fine and frizzy hair. So this Bodyguard Heat Protecting is good. I like it. That's why I repurchased. The next product I got, this is the first time that I'm going to try, is also from GHD. I like this brand. I like the hair products. My hair straightener is from this brand, and I also bought my daughter a hair dryer. The only thing is the hair dryer is very noisy from this brand, but I really like it. I like it. This is gonna be the first time I'm going to try it. Let me see the consistency. Yeah. Let's see how it looks like. There you go. Oh, it's very light. And it's not that liquidy. I like it. It's kind of like a gel oil. Let me see how it smells. The fragrance is very soft. I like it. And also they say that this is also heat protectant. So I like this oil. Yeah, I was reading that this oil also protects your hair from the heat of your styling devices or your and I like how it leaves my hair. I hope I like it. As of right now, I like it. So this is the first time I'm purchasing this, and I will be telling you how I like it more in the future. This oil, I think, is argan oil, and it's very glossy. I really like almost everything I have tried from GHD. I think they are very professional. The next product is new. It's new to me and it's new to Sephora, and it's this Phlur Mango Mood. This is a hair and body mist, or yeah, body mist. And this is a new product. I never smelled it before. I bought it because I really enjoy mango fragrances. The next product is from OUAI and is like a gift set. And this is the first time that I see this gift set at Sephora. and I think it's a great value gift set. I'm gonna leave you the link if it's still available. I was going to buy only the leave-in conditioner, but when I saw the kit for that price, minus the 20% off I had, it was a good deal. This is the shampoo. The shampoo has 10 ml, so I think this is a good size to try. And I've been wanting to try this shampoo because it says there is a shampoo detox, and it has some traces of apple cider vinegar. I usually add a few teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to my shampoo because they say it's good for the scalp. I'm not sure. But this shampoo already has the apple cider vinegar in it. But I still gonna add a few drops more. So this is new for me. I never tried this shampoo from OUAI, the detox shampoo. So I am very excited to try it. The leave-in conditioner is not the first time I'm going to try it. I've been using it for probably 4 years. The first time I bought it was at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, like over 4 years. And the bottle was big, 8 ounces, but I never seen an 8 ounces bottle anymore. And the only complaint I have with this product is that it's very little amount. It's only 4.7 ounces. And I finished this really, really fast. And I really need a bigger bottle, like an 8 ounces bottle, because it's really good and I like it and I keep repurchasing. But I need a bigger bottle, a bigger size with more product in it, so it can last longer, because this doesn't last at all. But the product is great. It works good with my fine and frizzy hair, and it also heat protectant. So the notes are in the back, so let me tell you. Olfactive family, Chypra fruity. Note, the top notes are black currant, pink pepper, mango. I like what I'm seeing. The middle notes are wild orange, black lotus, jasmine, sambac absolute, and the base notes are patchouli, vanilla elixir, and brown sugar. No wonder. I didn't know the notes. I just bought it because it says mango mood and because it was new and it wasn't that expensive. Minus the 20% off. Wow. This is very tropical. Let's spray this for the first time. Oh, the sprayer is not bad. This fragrance is delicious. Yummy. This is like perfect for summer. It doesn't smell cheap at all. It smells really good. You know, this Phlur company makes delicious fruity fragrances. I love Apricot Privé. I love Tangerine Boy. Those are my 2 favorite fragrances from this brand. I also love Somebody Wood. And they should make a mango perfume because this is delicious. This is not a complex fragrance, but it's a very well done hair and body mist. Wow. I will give this body mist 10 out of 10 right now because of the smell and because of the quality of the product. I still don't know how long it lasts, but as of now, my first impression is 10 out of 10. Super delicious. You should go and smell it at Sephora before purchasing it. Don't blind buy it. For me, this is a 10 out of 10 hair and body mist because of quality and the smell and the fragrance. But if you don't enjoy fruity floral, You probably won't enjoy this, but I will say don't blind buy it. Go smell it first at Sephora. And sure, it has a touch of sexiness, maybe because of the patchouli. And although it has a lot of flowers in it, it's not that floral. I enjoy the sweetness and the juiciness of the mango mixed with the flowers. This is great. This is a great launch, great product. Well, and that's it for this Sephora haul unboxing and first impressions. If you have any question, leave me your comment down in the comment section and I will see you next time. I hope they make a perfume with this fragrance. It's so good. Bye.